Hello everybody, it's Yammy and I'd like to talk to you about kindness and community. Keeping it positive online starts with understanding that just like in real life, our actions and words can affect others. I started my channel back in 2011 during college. People in my classes found my videos and would laugh at them during lessons, which made me feel so embarrassed. I was scared to upload again, even though it was something that I really enjoyed doing. Eventually, I completely stopped uploading, and then I finally realized that it really didn't matter what they were saying at college because I had an influx of positive comments from people who really enjoyed my content. For me, these made all the difference. Choose kindness. Treat each word that you share online as if it was a face-to-face conversation. And if you see anyone else online being targeted, you can be an ally to them by reporting hateful content. On YouTube specifically, you can look out for a 3-dot menu on or below a video to report that content for review. If you don't have anything positive to say, don't say anything at all. Choose to be kind, pass on the positivity.